little bit different. We are going to work together on our learning target, and we're all going to read it aloud. So, I need everybody to take a look back there. I'm going to say it first, and then we are all going to repeat it together, so it's not so uncomfortable. And yes, I can hear those of you who aren't saying it out loud. So, today I will identify a character's perspective in a story, and I will support it with text evidence. Everybody all together.
Today I will identify a character's perspective in a story, and I will support it with text evidence.
Perfect. Now everybody's eyeballs up here. The next thing I'm going to have you do is turn to your notes section. Leslie's already there. And then I'm going to have you write down the learning target in your notes section. Put the date, so you know what day this was for. I don't think I need to write it. So in your notes section, it's September 2nd. And then I need you to just copy our learning target for the day. You can write learning target and then copy this down. You too. Your stuff. We'll pick one. You got it right? No, we need to write it down because then we have a next step. And it should be spelled correctly because you are copying. You want to copy the learning target up here behind you. I have 2 more steps. Okay, you're all by yourself. And then when you're done, look up. Make sure you put a period at the end of your sentence, please. You better have a period at the end of that. Isaac, you too. You better have a period at the end of that. You better have capital letters too. Today, did you finish it? All right, I need you 10 more seconds. All right, even if you're still writing, it's okay. Everybody's eyeballs this way. We're going to go to step 3. You're going to put it in your own words. What am I asking you to learn how to do? I have a sentence frame, so right below your learning target, in your own words, so you can't just repeat what I put, but in your own words, what am I asking you to learn today? About perspective, and how are you going to show that you learned it? So I'll give you, what, like a minute to rewrite it in your own words? Is that enough time? Maybe. Thank you, Karen. So take a minute, and in your own words, what am I asking you to do? Today I'm learning how to what? Oh, other than that. Based on the learning target, what am I asking you to do? Because what does it mean to like identify something in your own words? What does perspective mean? Valerie, are you working? put perspective in your own words. What does it mean? What does perspective mean? Think about it. From the text to do what? You're almost done. And try to think about it putting in your own words. Like, what is perspective? It's not bad to start though. As we finish, I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. And then I'm going to have you share with the people at your table. There you go, 15 seconds. All right. I'll give you guys 10 seconds to bring the table for you still working. Yes, you're taking. All right. What I want you to do now is I want each person at the table to share their learning target that is in their own words. You can join Jesus, but I'll give you like a minute, and every single person needs to say whatever it was that they felt we were supposed to be learning today. Got it? You got a minute, go. All right, Rashawn, go.
Today, I am learning how to using
Today I am learning how to get characters perspective.
You just copied that. You did it all word. I did.
Alright. Most of you have shared, but I want Edwin to share his learning target because I think he did a really good job of putting it in his own words. Edwin, stand up and will you just read it so everybody can hear it? Leslie, listen to what Edwin's got to say because I think it's pretty good.
Today I'm learning how to use and store using examples from the text and to describe how character feels of events.
Remember, perspective is describing how character feels about an event. So I think the perfect way to put it in your own words, because rather than using perspective again, we're talking about the feeling that they have toward an event. So good job. Get out your independent reading book, please.